Alrighty guys, so in this one we're going to change our cabin air filter real quick on our 2007 Acura TL. So basically the way this works is your cabin air filter is in your glove compartment here. So just take your glove compartment down, make sure that there's nothing inside of it. First things first, you have a control arm here. It goes up and down. Basically, it sits in there. You just have to push it back and just push it out of the way like that. Very, very simple. And then next, I'm going to put you guys down here for a sec. Basically, what you need to do is push in on both sides and then bring it down like such. All right. You're gonna have to get it out of the car for this, because this whole piece here has to come down because it's sitting back here. All right. So first things first, you only need basic things: screwdriver, flathead, Phillips head. For up here, you want to push in on these inner buttons like such, and then pop these out, or just get them out however you can get them out. I actually broke these originally and wound up getting some from a OEM store, AcuraOEMparts.com. Is where I get a lot of my my OEM Acura parts from. They've been good. I mean, even small things like little clips, they're real great with, good prices. So they're definitely worth it. Okay, we pop those out. Now there's two screws, two screw bolts down here. Just want to take these out. Okay. One and two. Put this stuff to the side here. So now what's going to happen is you have to bring this whole piece down. So basically, you just want to clip from around here, and it will pop off like such. Okay. Fairly simple. All right. Now just be mindful of your connections. All right, and just lay that down nicely and gently like that. Now your air filter is straight ahead. There's two clips on the side holding it in, so we'll just have to push that and push this out. Excuse me. Pull in on both sides, pull in on both sides, and pull this out. And it's not the worst in the world, but like I was saying in the air intake filter, I change it once a year. I know some people that do it twice a year. I know some people who don't ever do it, like, ever, until their car breaks down. As you can see, there's not much in here. It's actually not too bad, but there is some nice good dirt particles and stuff. Drove this a lot during the spring and summer, and changed it last fall. So, you know, there you go with that. It's actually, you know, not too bad, but just put that to the side. And what we're using, I actually found this at Walmart, Fram Fresh Febreze. I've actually done this in my wife's car. Have not put this in mine. She says it smells good, but I don't know, we'll see. So take that out of the package. I can kind of smell it so far. Doesn't look like we have, here we go. Okay, so airflow, you have arrows down, and then on the side, you actually have an arrow down. So Lay that in appropriately. And then basically all you're gonna do is the reverse steps. Make sure that's nice and clicked in there. Make sure you connect anything that you may have disconnected. Connect our lock switch back up there. Okay, there you go. Find your clips and all your holes again. There we go. All right. All popped back in. Let's first do our screws down here. Even though it's October here in Jersey, it's actually kind of warm. I'm like sweating doing this. Let's get our, make sure our screw is in. There we go. Had one more click in there somewhere. Okay, just tighten up appropriately. Alrighty, put our clips back in. Might want to reset them, huh? That'd be a good idea. So just reset them, kind of just work them back in. There we go. Okay, number one, number two. Get that back in, squeeze on both sides. Don't forget your little control arm down on the side here. Make sure you clip it back in. Perfect. And basically, you're all done. That's simple. All right, guys. When more things go down, more things need to be simply fixed. We got you. Talk to you later.